It's time to check in with Approved Home Pros.
Even if you're not the handy type, every home should have a basic toolkit. To help us put one together is Paul Shanabarger from Escondido Ace Hardware. So how you doing?
Doing great. How you doing?
Good. I'm ready to learn the basics because this is really basic and this is pretty much all I have. It just switches from Philips.
And that is nice. That's still a basic tool and works great.
It does. But you need more than that. So a screwdriver kit, there's lots of sizes too.
Screwdrivers, not only you have a lot of sizes, which that one can accommodate, you have the different Phillips head, flat head, Torx head, square heads now. So yeah, screwdrivers and an all-in-one like that works great.
Okay, so that's the basics. We're going down the list. Wrenches. We need one of those?
Wrenches. And not only do you need a wrench, there's different sizes, and then there's standard size and metric size.
Okay.
You want to be prepared for everything. There's a lot of things out there that uses metric now.
Okay, very good. And then pliers. I know there have been times when I've felt like I needed pliers and I didn't have one on hand.
Pliers are the universal tool. That's if you don't have the right wrench, you don't have the right size. A plier can grab almost anything, odd-shaped stuff. It's the workhorse.
Okay, so still talking about the basic tool set and socket sets. Now this is where it sort of goes over my head, but I know that this is part of an important.
Sockets can replace wrenches. They come in different sizes. They're nice. The thing about them, they come in nice, usually a kit. You can get them standard and metric.
Okay, standard and metric again. And then the hex key set and the hammer round it out.
The hex key set, there again, the things are besides the screwdriver can't handle. You need the hex key set. And then when all else fails, you bring out the hammer.
Okay, you need the hammer. That's definitely one of the basics. Don't put your thumb in front of it. Be careful.
That's right. It's the cure-all.
And also a nice toolbox to put it in.
You want to keep all your tools together, so when you need them, they're all right there, nice and handy.
Okay, and I know that there's a lot of help at Ace Hardware too, so that you can go in and get great customer service. People are on hand to help you with questions.
As we say, if we don't have it, we can't get it. You don't need it.
All right. Thanks so much, Paul. Ace Hardware has all the basic tools you need to build your toolkit, and many of them are even on sale this month as a red-hot buy. Head to sdacehardware.com to find your local store.